Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set who can tag you on the Instagram application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the profile section at the lower right corner of the screen and go to the three lines at the upper right corner of the page. Tap to the settings and privacy option, and in the How Voters Can Interact With You section you can find the second option, the text and mentions. Click that, and in the Who Can Tag You section you can select the allow text from everyone, allow text from people you follow, and the don't allow text option, and just select one and click to the next circle icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.